Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Shriram Finance account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for shriramfinance.in. Then you will be directed to the official website of Shriram Finance. On the right side, you will see register or login option. Simply click on it. Here at the right side, you will see login form. Here you just have to fill out the phone number that you have registered in Shriram Finance. Then click on continue. Then one-time password will be sent to your mobile number. Go ahead and check your phone. Enter the PIN and then you will be successfully logged in into Shriram Finance. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.